Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, when we talk about how Microsoft is doing things that are not necessary and maybe shouldn't, they should, focus on other things. Particularly now, focus on Windows 11 and on the features and on making it right. Another change coming to Windows 10 that we learned, and, less than a year of end of support, they are and have decided that they will have a change. If you go into your settings and go into your system and then go into the About tab, which gives information about your Windows operating system. Well, you know what? The Windows operating system About page is about to get a brand new way of viewing the your system information. And I'm looking at that thinking, really, you are taking the time to do this when we're only a year away from end of support? Why exactly do you want to change the About page in Windows 10? How is it useful at this point? If you wanted to change it, to make it better, that was at the beginning of Windows 10. You should have done that, not at the end. I don't know. I don't understand Microsoft doing changes to Windows 10 as it is unnecessary. I don't think anybody complains about the About page now. And just makes me wonder why they're, once again, taking resources, taking some people, developers, programmers, and putting them to change a simple thing like that, rather than telling them, okay, here's what we want to do in Windows 11 that people complain about. I don't know. This is a weird one. If they continue making some of these changes like that in Windows 10, it's very, very weird. And it's mostly a waste of resources for an operating system that's got a year left. And of course, there's a lot of comments on the 1 year. A lot of cool souvenirs of people that were there when we waited for Windows 10. And it's easy to see that Windows 10 has become one of the favorites now in the Windows operating systems, and it definitely is very bizarre to think that we're already at the last year of this. Of course, there's extended support, but a lot of people will move on, I guess. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.